we use Stripe for our invoicing, subscriptions, things like that. And Stripe, there's not an easy way to see that number. You just see a total number. So you got to dig through or keep a spreadsheet is what we were doing. We were keeping a spreadsheet of all of the trainings that were purchased and holding on to that total before transferring it into the bank account. And so I had the idea, Stripe has an MCP server that's a connector in Claude Cowork.
Yeah. And live artifacts came out at the end of last month. It was great timing. The ultimate end result was we didn't have to spend any more money. It took us less than an hour to get this all up and running.
I mean, it was so cool because as a non-tech person, I got a lot of the way there with the dashboard that I created using the native Stripe MCP connector that is in Claude Cowork. And so there were some other things that I wanted to see, unpaid invoices, top subscriptions, all of this data, including the unrealized versus realized revenues. What I kept running into, though, is that it kept telling me some of the data that I needed from the metadata on what was purchased. You couldn't pull from the MCP server.
Elaine, I'm going to have to call you out for a second because you started that whole thing saying from a non-tech person. And then you went on to explain, well, I used a connector. I tied into an MCP server. Oh, I couldn't get the metadata. Like, let's be honest, you are slowly turning into a tech person.
Oh, no. I just sound really good when I say these things. The biggest thing is that you have to try things and not be scared of trying it. And so that's what I've gotten really comfortable with. It's like, well, I'm not going to break anything. I'm building on top of the data that exists.